Hello everyone, I am Prashant Nandam. Welcome back to our channel. As a part of our AWS Masterclass series, in this video, we will be seeing auto scaling groups. In our previous session, we have covered cloud formation. If you haven't watched, I request you all to watch it for more information related to cloud formation. Now, in this video, we will be covering auto scaling groups. I have prepared a notes for the same in session 18. If you see here, auto scaling groups. What is auto scaling group actually? It is a feature in cloud platforms like AWS, and this automatically manages a group of compute instances, which are nothing but virtual machines, to ensure desired number of instances are running and high availability is available, and application scale based on demand. Okay. Basically, you will be creating a EC2 instance and you will configure it for an auto scaling group. And now whenever the requests are high to that website which is in our EC2, the instance will increase as per the desired number of our desired numbers which we mentioned while creating scaling group. Now if you see here, why it is used for improve performance and automatically adjust capacity based on the traffic. It will increase the instance and it will decrease the instance based on the traffic. You can go through this for more information. And if you see here, these are the key points you need to remember. Desired capacity, this is the number of instance auto scaling group tries to maintain all the time. Minimum capacity is the number of instance always running in our AWS console. Maximum capacity is upper limit of instance allowed. And scaling policy, it will be rules that trigger scaling actions. Okay, we need to perform some policies, we need to perform some rules. And load balance integration, uh, I request you all to watch our previous session where we discussed about load balancer. You will understand more about this. So let's get into our demo. Create an EC2 instance. Go to instance. See if there are any running. No. I'll go with Mumbai region. Click launch instance. Give name as demo-ec2. Let's go with Amazon instance only. Yeah, it is free tier, that's fine. Keeper. Do I have any? Let's leave keeper. I'll select our custom VPC. If you are not aware of how to create VPC subnets, I request you all to watch our previous sessions where we discussed clearly about this VPC creation and subnet creations. Select existing security group. I have already created a security group, so I'm choosing select existing. If you don't have any, I request you all to watch our previous session where we discussed how to create security group so that you'll get more information related to it. Click on advanced settings. Scroll down. Here I have a user data already prepared. I'll show you this one. I'm using bin bash and it will update the instance and it will install HTTPD. It will start the service. It will enable the service. And I am writing hello from ASG demo. I am placing this under var www.html index.html so that this web page will load. I am copying this entire thing and I'm pasting it here. Let's launch our template. Launch instance. Proceed without keeper. We'll wait for a while. Our template has been created. Let's wait. Click on auto scaling groups. Create auto scaling group. Give name We can give as auto scaling group hyphen demo. Let's create a template from this image. Give name for our template, which is ASG hyphen template. Create launch template. Now our template is being created. Okay, template has been created. What we did, we have created an EC2 instance and we have created a template of it. This is our template, and now we are using this template for auto scaling group. I am using the template for my auto scaling group. Now click next. In VPC and instance type, select VPC which we are using and availability zones. I'll select this public subnet and this subnet. Two subnets I will select, which is two zones. And after selecting our two subnets, we can select next. For now, I'm not going with load balancer. Click next. This one is important. Desired capacity. As we discussed in our desired capacity, number of instance, auto scaling group tries to maintain. How many instances we need it to maintain? Two instances. Always two instances should be running. Minimum is one, maximum is two. Minimum one instance will run and maximum two instance will run. Let's go with no policy only. Click next. Go to previous one, to scaling groups. CPU utilization, yeah. If CPU utilization is 50, then it will create automatically. Instance warm up 10 seconds, let's say. Click next. Click next. You can verify all the details here. Let's create auto scaling group. It's updating. Let's wait for a while. Now if you see, we have only one instance. Go to instance. We have only one instance, right? But after creating our auto scaling group, we have three instances running. What you have selected, desired capacity 2. So number of instance tries to maintain. It will always maintain two available missions. Okay. Let's wait till it finish. Initialization. If you go to our instance which we created previously, if I open public v4, we need port 80 to be allowed in our security group. Let's verify. Yes, it's allowed. Cool. Our second instance is also up and running. Just rename it as iPhone1 so that we'll remember this is the one we created first, and these are created by auto scaling group. Let's add port 22 as well as an inbound. Let's verify if our system is running or not. I mean, our code is running or not. System ctl status httpd. It's active and running. Let's curl localhost. We are getting response, so we should get is okay. It's HTTPS. So if we search for HTTP, then we should get. See, we are getting hello from ASG demo. This is what we had in our echo. Hello from ASG demo. Now the similar one, we have updated our index.html in our initial image, which is EC2-1. Now if you see the second one, and if I search, if I browse this public IP, I'll make it to HTTP. You should see the same. See, 40.173, which is first instance which we initially created, is giving hello from ASG demo, and the second instance which has been created using auto scaling group, which is 63.93, is also giving the same instance, is also giving the same output. Now we will see the second one. This is also from auto scaling groups. If I browse this IP and if I change this to HTTP, see, same response I'll get, and this is how it works. Now what I'll do, I will delete two instances. Before that, let me show you desired is to instance to desired capacity to minimum to maximum to. So I'll change this template. I'll edit these details here for a while. Edit desired capacity to minimum is 3, maximum is, I'll change maximum to 3. I'll update this policy. Now what I'll do, I will remove these two instances. I'll terminate them. Successfully initiated termination. Okay. I'll just wait for a while. See, I have deleted our instance. Now within some time it will start recreating again two EC2 instance. See, once the auto scaling group identifies two missions are unavailable, it will automatically create another one. It will create only one mission because this is our default one, so it will not count this. It will create another one. See, another EC2 instance has been created and it is in pending state. I'll show you another magic as well. Let's wait till it get into running state. Cool, it is in running state. This is our default mission which we created image, so it is eliminated. And as per our auto scaling group policy, the desired capacity is 2. So it will always maintain two instances up and running. So this is 1 and this is 2. We deleted this image, this EC2 instance, so it is created another EC2 instance. Now if we browse this public IP, it should give us same response where the first instance was giving hello from ASG demo. Okay, now what we will do, go back to the auto scaling group policy. Desired is 2, minimum is 1 and maximum is 3, right? Now what happens, I'll do I will connect to one of the instance. I will write a command and that will increase the CPU utilization so that the auto scaling group will try to create another instance as per our desired maximum quantity mentioned, as per our this one maximum numbers mentioned here. So for that we need to install stress sudo yum install stress -y. Yes, it has been installed. Now what we will do, stress hyphen hyphen CPU 3 hyphen hyphen timeout 300. Let's increase the CPU here. It is dispatching stress. Meanwhile, let's go to our EC2 instance. Select monitoring, maximize the CPU utilization. Let's enable detailed monitoring. Once the CPU is greater than 50, it will create 3 instances. It will keep maximum 3 instances up and running. It will take some time. Let's wait. See, another instance is being created. The now if we verify the instance, if you see in monitoring, CPU utilization, it might have reached high. See, 99.35 it's reached. But as per our request, whenever the instance CPU reaches to is greater than 50%, it should create 3 instances. Now the CPU is higher, which is greater than 50, so it's created another mission and it is maintaining maximum capacity 3, and it is from 2 availability zones. Okay, now once the stress is, I'll show you one more thing. This is the one which recently created. Let's browse this as well. It should give same hello from ASG. Cool. Total 3 instances are being in running state. We'll wait till it initializing check finishes. Once it is done, I'll show you one more thing. Cool. Now what I'll do, I'll stop the stress. Yeah, it's automatically stopped. Now let's monitor the EC2 instance CPU utilization. As soon as it comes below 50, the instance will terminate. One instance will automatically terminated and it maintains desired capacity 2. Let's wait. It will take some time, so let's wait. Now if you see here, the another instance is being shutting down and it's about to terminate. See, now only 2 instances are in running state. I'll show you only running state 2. Now I'll go back to our auto scaling group. I'll refresh this page. See, instance is changed to 2. Earlier it was 3. Why? Because maximum running instance were 3 and the total desired capacity became 3. Now it is changed to 2. So whenever the CPU, as per the policy which we mentioned in auto scaling group, whenever the CPU is greater than 50, it will automatically create another instance. As per our provided, I mean maximum capacity we mentioned 3, right? So whenever the load is high, it will maintain 3 instance. Okay, now if you see, only one instance is being running. All it terminate another one as well. One instance is being running. Why? Because minimum is 1. Minimum is 1. So according to that it will change. The load is low right now, so it is started maintaining 1. Hope you understood this demo. Thanks for watching. I request you all to subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.